Okay, so there's a lot of, there's 3 air conditioners back there, plus a bunch of these wall air conditioners. So there's like a wall air conditioner for every one of these windows right here. And I hear something running up here, but I think it's something inside one of those windows. I have no idea what this thing is. What is that? I see some kind of reversing valve or something in there. This is some kind of air conditioner. And there's more wall air conditioners, plus a carrier, and 2 mini split ductless units. I hear something running. Oh, it's this one. This ductless heat pump's running. It's a carrier. Yeah. Yeah, this is cold air. This is a heat pump. This one's not on. This one's also a ductless heat pump unit. Here's a central air conditioner. But yeah, this one's running. Oh, I think 2006. Yeah, 2016. That's cool. There's snow on this one. It's a This one's a carrier. And there's another ductless unit, and then there's this one, which has a Gentech fan motor, 3-bladed, and the compressor is. This is not a heat pump. This is 2016, and it's a 4-ton. And that's a Copeland scroll compressor. It won't focus, but that's a Copeland scroll. I see the sticker. It says Copeland scroll on it. Yeah, Copeland scroll compressor. And it's a 2016 4-ton carrier, Gentech fan motor. Upper mechanic room. So yeah, somewhere around here. There's snow inside of it and stuff. Yeah, but then this ductless heat pump's running in heat mode. Let me feel the suction line. Oh yeah, that's pretty hot. That's nice and warm. Okay, so these are all carriers. This is another ductless unit. Plus all these wall air conditioners and whatever that thing is up there. And then there's some sort of exhaust vent right here. Hope you enjoyed this video. And there's some stuff on the roof that looks cool. Tell me if you know what that thing is over there, but hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day.